Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. In this video, I want to show you my honest review, and I hope I will be able to highlight all the pros and cons of this product. So let's begin.
Hey guys, and thanks for checking out this website. In this website, I'm going to show you guys something that not many people around the internet know about, and it's 100% free. So guys, sit back and relax and listen to this message that I have for you. Just give me 1 minute. I'm going to tell you everything that you can get by opting into my email list. After you opt in, you're going to get my entire online money-making system, which currently is making me a reliable, very reliable and consistent $600 a week. It's not thousands, but guys, $600. There's 52 weeks in a year. You do the math. You're going to see my whole system from top to bottom and also proof from my account that I'm actually making money with it in a video. I'm going to show you guys full disclosure, and I just wanted you to know there's nothing to lose here, guys. It's just an opt-in, and you're going to find out how to make some money online. It's awesome for everybody. So it's all free. All you need to do is put your name and email in the form below, and then confirm your email, and you're good to go. That way I know you want to know about this stuff that I'm about to tell you, which is how to make money online. And also, besides that, you're also going to get 2 amazing bonus ebooks for free, which you can't find anywhere on the internet. These ebooks are full of great, useful information that's very useful to your process of making money online, especially if you're a beginner. And they can give you very unique and great informative tips that you can't get by Googling or looking on search engines or, YouTube videos or tutorials or anything like that. It's all exclusive information. The first bonus ebook is a blueprint. It's going to teach you how you can rank your videos high in Google and YouTube. That's the key to start monetizing. And, it has many secrets that I can promise you've never seen, anywhere else on any other ebook or documentation on marketing. It also talks about some untold facts like channel air linking, YouTube VIS, and advanced backlinking for videos. It's really important stuff, guys. You can use all of these techniques to start making money. The second bonus ebook is an incredible ebook about making money with blogging, which is something that you need to read, for sure, guys. This is something you need to know. Blogging is huge, but you have to know how to monetize your blog, and this has great secrets about getting high-quality backlinks and creating high-revenue blogs. So, guys, don't miss this amazing combination of great and useful information here. Guys, you can get this all just by putting your name and email below. And after you confirm your email, you're in, guys.
Cool, right? Click the link in the description for my price discounted special.